Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a metallic oval image in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create metallic oval image. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a picture. Now find your picture. Now select from a picture. Now click for insert option. Now you can see insert from picture in Publisher. Now this picture create oval image metallic oval. Now going to the format menu option. Then click for a picture style more option. Then click for a metal oval. That's it. Now you can see create metal oval image is successfully is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.